Cover me. Cover me cute now. I got the juice now. The radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point to a woman of quality, the true essence of my beauty. That's why they follow me. They want to get a look like this. Yeah, probably. Cover me cute now.
Before you put your application in, read the office rules. They name it different things. They can say read the eligibility. They could say read the office rules, whatever word they use to describe it. Make sure you click on that link because the form is right there in front of you. Don't be tempted to apply before reading the office rules, because the moment you do one thing wrong, they're going to disqualify you. They're going to look for as many ways to disqualify you as possible even before they read your application. So let's click on the official rules, and the link to this fund will be the QuickBooks.promo dot small business. I'll link it below. I'll put it below so you can copy and paste. Okay, so it's a long list, but remember, this is $10,000 you do not have to pay back. You have to go through this and read it one after the other. For you to be able to stand out, for you to be able to be unique and not blend into everybody else, you have to be able this everything here will take you less than an hour to read. Read it and pull out points so you can go by the guidelines when you are putting in the application. Don't just go ahead and rush into it and dump in information without reading the rules and regulations. And if you have an QuickBook account already, of course, it will benefit you to sign into your QuickBook account, because one of the eligibilities is to register with QuickBooks so that you can apply for this business grant. And right after that, they already have the form. It's right there. All they ask is for your first name, last name, email, date of birth, company name, how many years your company has been in business, and your company's W-2 and your zip code. That's how you're going to start. Majority of the application for grants are usually the same process, like literally the same, very similar business questions. Why did you start your business? What problem does your business solve? Who is your target market? Who are your competition? How do you stand out? What is your unique value proposition? What else do they ask? Like, these are the majority. This is why I said, and if you haven't watched my previous video on how to build a grant writing template, I need you to go back and watch that video, because if you have that template ready to go, each time you fill out a grant application, all you are going to do is copy and paste and tweak a little bit of words depending on what they ask for you and depending on the their goals, so you can align with their goals. And yeah, that's it. I hope you take advantage of this grant. Like I said, 20 people can win $10,000, and the application is open now. So that means you need to take action now. If you are a procrastinator, here's a trick. Now that you've heard about the grant, set a time and a date that you want to apply for this grant. Put the reminder on your calendar, on your phone calendar. Let it remind you a day before and let it remind you an hour before so you can get to work. Because how can you get free money if you don't apply? And when we're talking about grants on this application, I mean business funding. You do not need to pay back. Money you do not need to pay back. That is what business grant is. And have you subscribed to this channel? Like, have you hit the subscription button? If you have, and you have a business friend or sibling or a cousin or a coworker, have you sent this video to them? Because sharing is caring, right? I shared this huge opportunity for you to win money so you can increase your cash flow and have a more stable business. It will only take you like a second or a millisecond to share this video out to friends and family. And if you need help taking your business to the next level, writing and winning a grant, you need to join our Patreon. You need to join our Patreon, and the link is going to be below. In this group, every month we come together as a group and we apply for grants together. And I'll share with you my experience on how I've won previous grants and pitch competitions. So you have all the knowledge you need to actually win the grant. I know a lot of times it's discouraging when you have applied and applied and applied and you never won, but I promise you, you can win too. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.